This is so pretty.
Aww. That's it? That was your hike? I haven't even got to the highway. I mean, the parking lot yet. Come on.
Hello. First winter hike for these two. Hello.
You haven't even got the parking lot yet.
Hello. Ayan mula. Where are you? Second hike of the year. Heart Creek Trail. It's kid friendly apparently. We'll see and have a look. It's important that you take a picture of the map wherever you're going. It is I don't know where's the information, but it's just a 4-kilometer hike after the flood. Here it is. It's a 4.2 kilometer round trip, so it should be nice and easy. And yeah, we'll go and check it out. Wanted to put her in there. O, di kang tartare ah. Little gnome. Tayo kami, tayo. I give this kid a credit. She's wearing extra large shoes. Yay, Abby! Yay! One step at a time. Hey, this is our view 2 seconds after the parking lot.
It's a river.
It's a lake.
It's frozen though.
Yeah, because it's winter. Beautiful. The wrecks it with those miners over there. Just having a 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah,
And forth.
like 2 hours.
Or I'll put them down.
Hi. Hi, 1-year-old Averilyn.
Wait.
Slow down la. Tayo na, tayo. You're okay. Dito bogan. Yeah. Inikat ko pa dito tayo yung lugan. There's a hill down here. How you go down a hill. Ellaney, look at me. Ellaney, watch out, watch out. Careful, careful. Boink, boink, boink. Huh? The bear lives there? Oh? Ano kang kalinti bear? What do bear eat? Trees? They like berries. Remember? Come on.
Last night we saw bear eating berries.
Yeah.
Because she's buying some. She's very hungry.
Yeah. Kind of like you. You get hungry all the time. Diba? You get hungry all the time? What do you see, La?
A bear.
You saw a bear? We didn't see a bear. There's no bear. Hi. Okay, keep going lah. Say hi. Say hi. Ano, may bagbaga dati. Hi. Say hi. Whoa, this is so pretty. It's a creek. Keep going. We're almost there. I think I see a bridge. Come on, kita nandang a bridge. This is so pretty. Okay, go cross the bridge and I'll take a picture. Ikaw, dyan, Timot. Yay! Hi, Averilyn! Hello! So what I like about this trail so far, it's super easy with the little one. Say hi, La! Do you like this trail? It's a perfect weather too to do it, and then the trails are nice and wide, so if it was even busy, it won't be able to, like, you can still keep your distance. So cheese ko lang ala. Selfie gaya mo na. Let's see la.
Mad. Nay.
Wow. Ayun. Whoa. You have to be very careful sa mga ganyan, ha? Diyan yung tintek doon, tita. Everilyn. Hi. Lunch naman na pala eh. So pretty. Nice small trail, but super pretty. Ganda. So pretty. Anala?
Skate.
You want to skate here? Not a good place for a skate kasi daming rocks. You see all those rocks? pretty. Do you like it?
Mhm.
Yeah! This is so pretty. That's probably the waterfalls right there. It's frozen now. Careful lah. Tell us. Wow! Look at that waterfalls. Frozen na. Ay, video na lang. Wow! Ano na po? Nabiro kam tala?
Fish ka na fish.
A snake? Oh no! Let's see what kind of snake. Brown? Jeez, a little. This place has become like a place for kids to explore because of all the rock formation, just like different feature of it. Winter time, super cool. We went tobogganing yesterday.
Sorry.
I'm getting stuck. Maya dadai. Careful. What are you putting la?
Mama!
Ano kabgab naman sa pocket mo?
Mom, I can't.
Ano yan?
Mama, I can't.
What is this ice for?
Water.
For water. For Papa, you said kanina. Let go. O, kunin ba yung isa? Just one nga rod. But why do you need the ice for? For Papa? Hi.
How are you?
Great. Ellaney, tell me.
Why are there lots of mama?
Hindi sila mamas. Sige man, Arnold, can you climb up and like carry that way?
On her like back or something, so I can just carry like a luggage.
Ellaney, look at me. Is that fun? This is her child's laugh.